Today will be a very pleasant day across mid-Michigan. We're starting the day with sunshine. This afternoon we'll notice a few of these clouds drifting in, but we will stay dry today with high temperatures in the upper 70s. That means it will be very comfortable. So let's jump right in and show you what we can expect here. A few afternoon clouds tonight, a few more clouds drifting on through. Tomorrow there's going to be a warm front moving through. That's going to be what takes our temperatures from the 80s on Father's Day up into the 90s as we head into the work week ahead. So our northern counties may see a shower tomorrow. If you do, it's not going to rain all day. And the further south you are, it could stay dry all day with partly to mostly sunny skies. So I do think there will be time to spend outside for any Father's Day plans that you do have. As we head into Monday, notice the showers and storms setting up to our north and west. We should end up seeing mostly sunny skies, very hot and humid conditions in place at that point. And with the showers and storms setting up to our north and west, that means the core of the heat can set up over the top of us. You will notice here the severe weather tracker shows that the strong to severe thunderstorm potential stays well off to our north and west, and the ring of fire pattern will show up very nicely here. Watch the hot weather here expand across the eastern half of the nation, and with the blue arrows here representing that ring of fire, that's where the thunderstorm clusters like to go. So as long as that stays to our north and west, we can get involved with the core of the heat. That's what can allow our temperatures to climb into the 90s and also allow the heat index values to reach, if not exceed, 100 degrees. So here's a close look at today. Mostly sunny this morning, a few clouds drift in later on in the afternoon and evening, but we stay dry, very comfortable, low humidity, highs in the upper 70s. Tonight some clouds will drift through, partly to mostly cloudy skies, upper 50s for lows. Then tomorrow, partly to mostly sunny, a little bit more cloud cover further northward. That'll be the best chance of running into a shower. More sunshine further off to the south. Highs tomorrow, mid to upper 80s. Humidity levels start to creep up, but they're not terrible just yet. On Monday, this is when we'll really notice the heat and humidity. High temperatures in the mid 90s. Heat index should be up at around 100 degrees. We'll have mostly sunny skies in place. Now the heat here, the heat index, it's going to get up to around 100 degrees, so we'll be spending some time here in the extreme caution category. We might sneak into the low end of the danger category briefly, but certainly here, at least with the extreme caution in place, be on the lookout for some cramps, heat exhaustion, and heat stroke will be a possibility, so we'll want to be aware of that as the heat builds on in. Now, the heat advisory criteria here is going to be for when the heat index gets to 100 degrees or higher. However, if it's 95 or higher for 4 or more days in a row, that heat advisory can be issued for that as well. Excessive heat warning is for 105 during the day and 75 at night. But if it's 100 for 4 consecutive days in a row there, then the excessive heat warning can still be issued. So I think we'll at least get a heat advisory. We might get an excessive heat warning. The National Weather Service will make that decision, but either way, it's going to be hot and humid for the better portion of the week. In fact, the temperature trend here shows potentially 5 days in a row of 90s, Monday all the way through Friday. Let's look at some June heat history. The last time we had 3 consecutive days at 90 degrees or higher in Flint was back in 2020. For Saginaw, we have to go back to 2002. Let's change that number now to 5 consecutive days at 90 degrees or higher. Specifically for the month of June, we have to go back all the way to 1934, way back in Flint. Saginaw, we go back to 1998. Heat of this magnitude is more common in July and August, and it's less common in June, so that's why we have to go so far back. Kind of an earlier season heat wave is on the way as we head into the week. So for today, 77, some afternoon clouds, very comfortable. Tomorrow, upper 80s out there. The further north you are, there could be an isolated shower. Otherwise, it's partly to mostly sunny. And then we'll have partly to mostly sunny skies for the better part of the week. It'll be hot and humid. We'll watch for isolated pop-up thunderstorms just because it's so hot and humid, but nothing looks organized right now. Alert days are in place Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday with highs in the mid-90s, heat index values near 100, and overnight lows in the low to mid-70s means little to no relief at night.